Welcome back guys. So now we are going to properly learn about layers in Illustrator. I know we have already covered layers a little bit, but to make sure that you understand them properly, I have made this tutorial for you. So as you can see that I have three shapes over here. This black circle, a red one and a blue one. Let's press Ctrl Z to bring them back to their position. So why is the black circle at the very behind, then the red one is on top of it and the blue one is on top of both of them? Well, it's because of the layers. If you open up layer 1 over here, you will see that the blue one is at the top, the red one is behind it and the black one is behind that one. If I simply select the black one and bring it up, you will see that the black one is at the top, and that is why we are seeing that one. So if I click over here, I will select all of them and then I can move them. So this is not the only way through which you can arrange the layers. Like I can also click on the black circle, right click on it and then go to arrange and send to back. So now it is at the very bottom. Let me right click on it again, arrange. So there is send to back, send backward, bring forward and bring to front. So what is the difference between all of them? Just remember that bring to front means that it will bring it above everything else in the canvas. So if I click on it, it is at the very top. Similarly, right click, arrange, send to back. So it is at the very back. But if I right click on it again, arrange and bring forward, so it will only bring it up one step. So it is only above the red one. Similarly, if I want to bring the blue one at the very bottom, I will click on it, right click, arrange and send to back. So it is at the very back. But all of this will only work inside this layer. If I close this and let's just say I create another layer and move all of this to the left. Let's create a couple of more shapes over here. So I will select layer 2 over here, then select the ellipse tool. Let's create a circle over here. Let's copy it and change its color. Copy it again and change its color again. So we have three more shapes over here. So as you can see that this green one is at the very top. I can right click on it, arrange and send to back. So now it is at the very bottom. But it will always be on top of all of this. Why? Because this is on layer 2. Let me show you how. If I select all of this and bring it over here, you will see that this is below the green one. Because this whole layer is on top of this one. And if I rearrange it and if I bring up layer 1 on top of layer 2, you can see that everything inside layer 1 is on top of layer 2. And also if your layers look really small, you can go over here, click on panel options and click on large and hit OK. So they are a little bigger now. You can even make them further bigger by going over here, panel options, click on other and set the pixel size to maybe 50 and hit OK. So they are quite big now. You can see everything over here. So this was a little tutorial on how to use layers in Illustrator. I hope you guys like this. See you guys in the next tutorial.